Okay, guys, my brother just got another one.
Yeah, right when we stopped.
Right when we stopped that video.
I was just really good movement, and boom, he just came out.
Let's just put it right. There he goes, folks. There we go. Okay, guys. Okay, we're starting video.
No editing on this. Hey, where's the camera?
Woo! Woohoo! That was a good one, folks. Zoom in here a little bit, just to get a little bit in that. Let's just move it a little bit, move it up. There, as you can see, our bobber is right there. So, see what we can catch. Once more. So, oh! Just kidding, folks. So that got me there a second, but all the rest is fake. Alrighty, I'm out. I'm ready now. Woohoo!
20 more minutes.
Alright, 20 more minutes. Let's see if we can make the best out of that 20 minutes. Well, make some action.
What, guys, there's like a beer bottle in here. No, it's not floating. The beer bottle's right there.
That's good friend now. Oh, you dropped too soon.
No, it wasn't. It was cocked. I cocked it so I could, because it was moving.
Nope, still got bait on it. Still got bait on it. Come here, not untangle it. Come here.
No, it's just wrapped with this. Hey, Dad, you see that outside?
Let it run with it a little bit. Then, hey, instead of jerking it so hard, just reel it in. Just keep the tension on it. Keep it tight.
You guys can just zoom
Keep
through
the line tight. They can't shake it loose.
You guys can just zoom through it. Yeah, zoom through it with your iPod. Your iPod. Oh.
There you go.
Alright, got a little bit of it there.
Oh, you got him.
No, not yet. Well, both are getting nibbles, so I don't know if I'm going to like.
You might want to check your bait, man.
Yep, oh, you got him. You got him.
Reel in. Keep it tight. Bring it over here.
Alrighty, there we go, folks.
Bring him over here. Keep the line tight. Keep the line tight. There you go. Keep it tight.
Alrighty.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Woo! Sweet. Look at there, nice little bluegill.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! There goes my brother bear. Oh, it looks like a big one. Oh, I got a bass.
Come on, let's do it.
All right. I got a pumpkin seed there, guys. Got myself a pumpkin seed.
That's a weird name for it, but
Woohoo! That's nice.
nice fish.
Giving it.
All right. Here, two fishies at the same time.
Open your door.
Is that nice? Oh, we got another fish over there.
Got him?
Solid. Sorry.
Okay, a nice bluegill.
That's bluegills.
Good.
Let's go release them.
Okay,
There we go.
she goes.
See what her dad got for us.
2 at a time.
Man, you guys are tearing them up tonight. You go, Bear.
Ooh, that's at least 20 fish now.
Yeah, close. Getting close.
Alrighty, let's just put our camera down and just see what else.
This is puppies.
Just put the camera down. Alrighty.
So I might have been
See if we can catch anything else, folks.
Watch your camera there. You want
Well, guys, we're going to end the video. See you guys later. Bye.